At Vangelis, we give high-quality menswear pieces a second life. To help you find the right fit, we recommend comparing our measurements to your own clothing using this measuring guide. Shirts. Here's how we measure shirts at Vangelis. First, we make sure the shirt is fully buttoned. We start by measuring across the shoulders, from seam to seam. Then we measure from armpit to armpit. Next, across the waist area. For the back length, we measure from under the collar down to the button hem of the shirt. The sleeve length is measured from the shoulder seam to the end of the cuff. To measure the collar, we open the shirt and measure from the button stitching to the center of the buttonhole.